Welcome to Regina Caeli Dental Clinic. I'm a dentist working here at Regina Caeli Dental Clinic. Um, Dentistry is something that is very important, although people are not really aware about it. Most people think that dentistry is just something that your teeth is paining you, just gonna take it out, but that is not dentistry actually. Dentistry has to do with holistic care because a lot of things that will be wrong with you that you only get to know if you visit a dentist. The dentist can actually detect something that is wrong with you internally that may even require other specialties. But you may not know. When you see a dentist, you have an idea about it. And if you've had dental pain before, you understand that dentistry is very important because most people have described that pain as only second to the pain of labor. For those that are women that will understand, it's actually very painful and it's very discomforting when you actually need to enjoy your life somewhere and then the pain hits you then and then you are so uncomfortable and life becomes miserable. But away from that, let's talk about oral health. Listen, oral health is something that is very important, but it's very simple. Simple as ABC. First thing about oral health is that you brush your teeth twice daily. Very important that you brush at night before going to bed. That before going to bed means that you're going to brush as the last thing before going to bed. Or you brush, and when you brush, you're not going to eat any other thing that night except water. Because while you are brushing at night, is to reduce the amount of food debris in your mouth that can result to tooth decay, and then to now result to that severe dental pain later on in the future. So you brush at night before going to bed, and then you brush in the morning. You can eat your breakfast before brushing if you are comfortable with it, or you can brush for your breakfast, whichever one you choose, it's fine. And then it is very important to also note that the type of toothbrush you use is actually important. Don't try to whiten your teeth with a hard toothbrush. It doesn't work. It only breaks down your teeth and predisposes you to sensitivity. So the best thing for you is when you want to brush, you use a medium textured toothbrush for adults, and for children a soft textured toothbrush. When you go to the market, check the label, usually written there medium or hard or soft. Go for the medium for adults. For children, go for the soft. Okay, and when you want to get a toothpaste, forget about all these shenanigans of you want to get a toothpaste that is 20,000, that is 30,000. No, just make sure that you go through the label of the toothpaste. First of all, check that toothpaste is approved by the Nigerian Dental Association. It is usually written there. And then also check that the toothpaste has fluoride in it, right? When you see the ingredients, you go through it and you will see that the toothpaste has sodium chloride in it. That is actually very important in that toothpaste because that's what prevents you from tooth decay. So that is number 2 important information I've given to you. Now the third thing is that you need to floss your teeth. Dental floss is very important. If you don't floss your teeth, there are a lot of things that enters in between your teeth. The junction, they are very tight, and the toothbrush is not able to remove everything there. So you need to floss in order to remove those debris from your teeth. So you need to floss at least once a day, and then whenever you eat, especially when you eat sugary things, or especially when you eat sticky food like biscuits, chocolate, always rinse your mouth with water. Rinse your mouth with water so that it will reduce the amount of debris that is left in your mouth. And very important, twice a year you are supposed to visit your dentist. Either do a proper check on you, detect any issue early on, and if you have any dental issue, if you notice any hole, anything at all, run to your dentist. The earlier, the better. Dentistry only gets more and more expensive when you delay. Don't wait until you now start having serious pain before you see your dentist, because by then you now say, oh, dentists are always extracting people's teeth. No, that is not what we want to do. We actually want to save that tooth so that you can have a happy life, beautiful smile all through your life. But when you present this and there's no other option, then we may have to consider removing. or it presents late, and then we may have to now charge you so much more to restore your tooth. Visit us early and you would have a very beautiful life. Meanwhile, like I said, here at Regina Caeli Dental Clinic, we are trying our best to see that we give our patient the best dental care ever. We have all the facilities needed. We have digital x-ray, we have our functional dental units that we are using, and we also have the best hands you can think of in terms of dentistry here in Anambra State. And also, here at Regina Caeli, our prices are second to none because we are more interested in your oral health than just making money. So our prices are pocket friendly, and also that we prioritize our patient's care. So when you come to Regina, you will understand what I'm talking about. When we also offer services including washing your teeth to remove every dirt in your teeth. We will also offer tooth whitening in case you want to make your teeth whiter. We offer root canal treatments in case for those that have holes on their teeth that need treatment. We also offer extraction. You can, for those that may be required for their teeth to be removed, and also more so, we also offer even surgical treatments, including a fixation for those that may have been involved in a road traffic accident and fracture their jaws. We also do surgeries for them. So we have everything you need here at Regina Caeli Dental Clinic. So you can pay us a visit, you can call us, you can come around and make your inquiries. I will be willing to help you. Thank you and God bless you.